Hi everyone, I'll be making a replication of something similar to this on IBM Cognos. So this is Table Public, but we'll be replicating something like this on IBM Cognos. So first of all, you can see they have an Amazon data set, which is Amazon revenue. You can see it here. That's Amazon revenue versus profit by Pradeep Kumar. So what we're going to try to do is to get similar bar charts like this on IBM Cognos. So we're going to have by the year against revenue and the year against net income. We can also see profit and revenue for 2019, which is the year chosen. So let's go. I have created some of them using the Amazon dataset, but I will show you how I got the dataset. From Table Public, you can get dataset when you sign up, but when you come over to the download and to find out you can access data, you do a Google search. So here I can say I search for Amazon revenue versus profit 2019 data set. So and the search results tells me I can get it from their 2019 annual report, or I get it from another website. So I came to macro trends and the data is there. That's annual Amazon annual revenue against, that is per year, and this is by quarter. So we copy the data set manually. Here we copy the data set manually, and then we take it to any of our editing tools. Here I dropped it on Google Sheets and I exported it. So that's how we got our Amazon data set. Here we uploaded it on IBM Cognos. So if we come to my content, you will see the Amazon data set has been uploaded. I tried different times to upload it. You can see it here. Revenue and profits B, revenue and profits CSV, revenue as Amazon data set Excel. So I uploaded a full sheet, multiple sheets as the document. So on IBM Cognos, I'll take you back to the visuals. So here we should realize why we have the dashboard looking this way different from what we saw on Tableau Public is because IBM Cognos Analytics has restrictions on dashboard layout from my research so far. So I'm going to replicate what we have here as the bar charts, what we have here as a line chart. So let's start by creating a new dashboard. So you can see we must pick a template. So I picked the 4 at the top and 1 below layout. We'll say create. So first of all, we would create our revenue against year bar. So we drag annual revenue and year, we hold down command on Mac. And we drag it in. So let's drag it in. So drag it over the blue annual revenue in millions a year. So we can see it's giving us our first bar. So the annual revenue against the year. You can choose our colors, but let's go ahead to continue. So secondly, we would want to do the gross profits against the year. So let's take our gross profits against the year. So next we will do the year against the annual operating income. So next we can take the expenses. So if you want to know the meaning of EBITDA, EBITDA means earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So let's go back. So I forgot to let us name our tab here as Amazon dashboard. We call it the Amazon bar dashboard. So we'll take our year against earnings. So let's expand this. Okay, so it's a table. We can change it to our column. Okay. Next we'll have the annual revenue in millions and gross profits side by side. Drag it over the blue square. So we have it, but we want it also by the year. So if we look at what we have here, we can see that we have length. The length item is annual revenue in million alongside gross profits, and we have color as measures group 2. So let's take it. Let's modify this. So we need our year to come in. Let's try this. Okay, it's on bar. So let's change it to columns. Okay. So it's how we want it to be. Annual revenue and gross profits. Okay. So we can see we have annual revenue is brown, gross profits is purple. So we can change the colors one by one to get, you can see it filters. So for 2019, which is what brought us to this in first place, we can see our gross profit as $152 million. Annual revenue is $280.5 million. So let's come to the visual. You can see in 2019, 280.5. So if we want to filter down to the year, we can also do that. So that's how we can replicate this on IBM Cognos. So one more thing, we would duplicate this dashboard. Then we call it Amazon line chart dashboard. There's a missing word here. So IBM Cognos allows you to change the visualization type. On similar software, Tableau, you have what you call show me. So but for IBM Cognos, you have the change visualization option. So we would like to change it to a line chart. So annual revenue in millions by year becomes a line chart. I see it clearly here. Gross profits by year, change it. So you can see it gives us recommended visualizations, and we can see go and choose our own visualization. So we pick the line chart, close it. Annual operating income by year, I'd like to expand it, change it to a line chart. Okay. Our EBITDA, that's our earnings before interest, taxes, and depreciation chart. Change it to a line chart also. Remember the points on the line for all inflections are where we have our data points. So for this particular chart, we have can change it to a combination chart. So somewhere up here. Let's expand this. We can change it to a line and column chart. So what we have the gross profits as the bars, as column bars, and we have the line as the annual revenue in millions. So we can change it again. We can bring the gross profits and then the annual revenue. Be the column. So we can see we can switch. As I said earlier, for the properties, you can change our element color or change the color palette. So change this to light magenta. You can change this to, let's expand it to have a good view. To cyan. You change this to teal. You can leave, okay, you can leave this as purple. So we have a better view of it. So that's the Amazon dataset. This is just for replication purpose on what you can still do on IBM Cognos, similar to Tableau. And in the next dashboard replication, we'll be replicating a Google Play Store app analysis, also by Pradeep Kumar. Thank you.